Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a first YouTube video. First, let's plan. Define your video's purpose and who you want to reach. Pick a topic you genuinely love, as your passion will shine through. Outline your video's structure, ensuring a strong opening and a clear call to action. Don't forget to research keywords to help people find your amazing content. Next, let's talk about your setup. You don't need fancy gear. A smartphone or a basic camera works perfectly for high-quality video. Good lighting is crucial. Natural light is ideal, or a simple ring light can make a huge difference. For clear audio, use a lavalier microphone or even your phone's built-in mic. Finally, pick a clean, uncluttered background to keep your viewers focused. Now for recording and editing. Record in short, manageable segments. This makes editing much simpler and reduces the pressure of perfection. Speak clearly and confidently, looking directly into the camera to connect with your audience. For editing, free software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut are fantastic starting points. Remember to add an engaging intro, outro, and some fitting background music. Finally, let's get your video out there. Craft a compelling title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to boost discoverability. A custom, eye-catching thumbnail is absolutely essential for attracting clicks. Share your video across all your social media platforms and website. Most importantly, engage with comments and feedback. Building a community is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.